orders obey. Welcome. We were not expecting you so soon.
Sultan Mehmed II offers his salutations to you and your son.
Thank you. I have his tribute ready.
I'm afraid there's something more than a tribute to discuss.
The Turks have no enemies here.
Did you think we would not notice a battalion of our scouts missing?
I did not kill them.
Yine de içinde yaşamaya devam ediyor, değil mi? Ne kadar karanlık bir yerde bir kafeste kapella tutsan da sen de ben de hala orada olduğunu biliyoruz.
The Sultan's tribute. Take it and leave.
There is one last thing. The Sultan requires 1,000 boys to join his Janissary Corps.
Janissaries. He ended that practice years ago.
When a soldier is plucked as a child and raised to know no other life, they will kill without question and die without complaint. Any who are 15 years of age or older will fight in Hungary. Those 10 to 14 will be made ready for the siege on Vienna. The Sultan expects your obedience. After all, did not your own father give you up without a fight?
Bekleyenler ama işimi sigara.
Don't, please.
Sen benim kim olduğumu biliyor musun? Eskiden kim olduğunu yani.
Ordun yok prens. Emrimizi yerine getir ya da sonuçlarına katlan.
Çekilin!